Chate là phải thọ lê. Chate ile. Papa man chua hay api niya. Chan hay hi rod sangi ani a. Kapoma lang thayri lawa. Api ina ko thak don me kani. Chuan Lalat Park ka KNP te kan picnic do na. Ho in hi ni som ni le pariat me tha. Sang ni som ni le pariat ya.
And the road ahead hides the light. Still your promise stands the same. Through every loss, through every flame, a quiet voice inside the storm. God is our refuge and our strength, a present help in trouble. You are my refuge, you are my strength. My heart will not be afraid. Though mountains fall into the sea,
pass through troubled waters, you walk beside my trembling soul. When the fire burns around me, still your hand will hold. You never promised an easy road, but you promised you would stay. And through the darkness of the valley, your light will guide the way. Be still and know the Lord is God. You are my refuge, you are my strength. My heart will not be afraid. Though storms may rise and shadows fall, nothing can separate, nothing at all, not death, nor life, not darkness, nor fear. From the love that holds me here, even now grace surrounds, even now hope is found. You are my my strength through every storm we make, through every valley, through every night. Your love will remain. You are my refuge, you are my The sky was clear, the wind was calm, no sign of rain that day. People laughed and said to me, why build it anyway? But I had heard a voice so clear, no one else could hear. With a promise I couldn't see, I raised my hammer here. Day by day I kept on building on a road that had no end. Looking at these wounded hands, still I chose to stand. In the silence still your voice never fades away. Though I couldn't understand, I would not walk away. Then one day I heard the sound, footsteps drawing near. One by one the living came, quiet without fear. Walking past me to the ark, entering inside. In that moment I could see your promise come alive. Before the rain, I still believe. Even when I cannot see, you have spoken, so I stand right here in your command. Then the heavens opened wide and the earth began to shake. Through the rising waves around, I was not afraid. You were the one who closed the door. You kept me safe within. In the middle of the storm, I found my peace in Him. Before the rain, I chose to trust. Even when it wasn't clear, until the day you bring it all. I walked in faith, not fear. Now I know, and I can say, your word will never fail. In your hands I stand secure, and I will not be shaken. When the rain had come to rest, and the sky was open wide, in the quiet, in the light, I remember all your promises. When the ground feels unsure and the future is thin, when the weight of the world starts closing in, God is our refuge, our strength in need, a present help when hearts can't breathe. Even if mountains fall into the sea, you remain with me. The Lord is my rock, my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear?
will stand against the faithful promise of your hand. Those who trust in the Lord will stand, not by power but by your hand. Be strong and courageous, do not fear. He goes before you, He is here. I will not be shaken, I will not fear. You are my shelter, always near. I will not be shaken through night or flame. Your love remains the same. If God is for me, who can stand against? Greater is He who lives in me. Even in darkness, I will stand firm. The battle belongs to the Lord. I will not be shaken. I stand on grace. You are my refuge, my hiding place. I will not be shaken, come what may. You are the same yesterday. I will not be shaken. I will not be shaken. I will not be shaken.
Video. Ini Lalat rồi.
Ở trên cho nhất là thì cả nhà hai cô đang thử
Với thiên nhiên mình.
I have tried to stand on my own. I have tried to make it through. Every time I thought I was strong, I was only lost without you. You have always been my foundation. You have always been my ground. Even when I didn't see it, you were holding me all along. You are steady, you don't change. You are my strength when I am weak. You are the voice that speaks to me. I will stand on who you are. You have carried me this far. All the battles I was fighting, all the lies I used to believe, you have broken every shadow. You have set my heart free. I don't have to prove I'm worthy. I don't have to earn your grace. You have called me as your
fel tak tak te. Chae. Kale. Lalat pa ka tuik te kan cheng nom kan ti kan lim le mai.
This far. You are my strength.